through. I love Amare. Jason Shion says I don't play that somebody's song. Okay, we'll get to that. People are already talking about Brandy. We've not even got to the Brandy song. Chill.
Brandy, you know what's so funny about this Somebody's Son? I think the song, like the single was Tales by Moonlight, but Somebody's Son is the song that is going to go everywhere. And I think that's gonna be lot of people's favorite.
Yeah, I'm seeing
that's gonna be on top of everybody's list.
Yeah, I'm excited to check out Somebody's Baby, man. I'm excited to check that one out because Brandy, obviously R&B legend, and Tiwa herself, like having such a strong background in R&B, it only makes sense that these two have to meet at some point. And I love it. Maybe next up she should go for Monica. That would be nice too. You shouldn't.
Manuel, you like beef.
I'm just saying, like, just to like even it out, you know.
Change.
All right, next track we got Somebody's Son with Brandy. Let's go. Why does this sound like a Fireboy record so far? This could easily go into like Apollo or something. Read you, Makula, you all could come around here.
Sorry. I'm not sorry.
I'm sorry. I don't know why I don't disrespected this song for a bit.
Like the song has not even started. Manuel's already coming for reading Makula. What did reading Makula do to
But
you?
this you hear the keys. The keys feels very like feels.
This is Somebody's Son.
I know it's somebody's.
Let the people have their thing.
I know. Let me run it back.
Yeah, sorry. I'm not sorry.
Okay.
I like a rainy boy, yes.
Oh.
Somebody's song go find me one day.
I
Don't they wait.
want to hear Tenny on this too.
Somebody's song go love me one day.
Hey.
Worried, I'm not worried. No, I know the progress. Oh, come me late,
Coco. Shabby, Meroni.
Okay, Brandy in Europe. Let's go.
tired of getting it wrong.
This will be another heartbreak song.
Come on.
Somebody's song go find me one. Somebody's song go love me one day.
Hey. Come on. That's a banger. That's a banger.
It's a jam.
Very,
I know
fun.
how many bachelorette parties, how many weddings, how many girls have played this song and they've cried on top of God. Everybody's gonna finish the song. This is the song.
See, look, I knew that with all of this, I mean, at the end of the day, she's an Afropop artist. Like, that's her brand too. And that she needed something a little bit more commercial. Like, what we've gotten so far wasn't. But to have that vibe with Brandy, oh man. Nah. That was icing on the cake. Like that was good. That was a good way to very well polished song too. It was very simple. The transitions were telling you, okay, this is the hook. This is where you're supposed to sing along. It was very, very structured. Like, okay, this is how to vibe with it. And I love it. I love that sentiment too, man.
Most definitely. I thought it was very exciting.
Yeah.
And something that I would suggest is when we finish this, you should go watch the video of Tiwa.
I've seen like
You've seen it
the
circulating and stuff.
Oh no, this song's good.
It's pretty nice. When
good.
Brandy jumps into Yoruba, I thought that was nice. I would expect that. Yeah, that was something that was very good. I think it's a song that is gonna go far. It's probably gonna be a lot of people's favorites.
Yeah,
for sure.
I can see the song playing in an Owambe. I can see playing in a white wedding. You know what I mean? Like, it feels very sweet. Like,
yeah, it's giving very much wedding song.
Yeah, and it's so sing-alongable, man. Like, obviously, like at the end of the song, I was already like, okay, yeah, I'm convinced.
You see why I was like,
convinced.
remind me not to sing.
Yeah. Honestly, this is a good record. This is a very good song.